Welcome to the future of work. Generative artificial intelligence is no longer a futuristic concept, it is actively reshaping how we write, code, design, and think. In this video, we explore how this technology works and why it is redefining human productivity. To understand this shift, let's contrast traditional software with generative AI. While traditional tools follow strict, pre-programmed rules to process data, generative AI uses neural networks to create entirely new, context-aware content. This allows machines to transition from passive execution engines to active, collaborative creators in the workspace. At the heart of this creative ability lies the concept of vector embeddings. Instead of treating words as isolated letters, generative models translate language, images, and code into mathematical coordinates in a high-dimensional space. By measuring the geometric distances between these points, the AI understands semantic meaning, context, and subtle conceptual relationships. How does this mathematical understanding turn into real-time assistance? It follows a structured processing pipeline. First, raw user input is converted into embeddings. Next, the transformer network uses attention mechanisms to weigh the relationships between words. Finally, the model predicts and generates the most contextually relevant, logical sequence of output. This technology is already changing the workforce. Recent studies highlight that generative AI will impact tasks across various fields. While manual work remains relatively untouched, high cognitive areas like writing, analysis, and programming are seeing a massive shift, with up to 80% of tasks augmented or accelerated by AI tools. This impact does not mean human displacement, instead, it fosters a collaborative loop. In this co-pilot model, the human designer guides the system with strategic prompts. The AI agent generates draft alternatives, and the human refines, verifies, and finalizes the output. This loop multiplies creative output while keeping human judgment at the center. However, integrating generative tools into daily workflows comes with significant hurdles. Users must carefully navigate system hallucinations, where the model confidently generates incorrect data. Additionally, businesses must address ongoing concerns surrounding intellectual property ownership, security vulnerabilities, and the inevitable cognitive load of continuous human upskilling. Ultimately, the rise of generative AI isn't about machines replacing minds, it is about elevating them. By automating repetitive draft work, we unlock unprecedented space for high-level strategy, deep creativity, and complex problem-solving. The future of work belongs to those who learn to build alongside the machine.